Boom, 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 boom. Bang, 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 bang.
This video gained over 30 million views, and this brand attracted thousands of audience members by simply creating this type of content. Here's how to do it in seconds using only AI. Head over to the Kling AI app and click on AI image. Paste in your prompt. You can use mine for better output. Select your aspect ratio and the number of images, and hit generate. Within seconds, your image will be ready. Next, download your image and go to image to video. Upload your image. Paste in the same prompt.